Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 14th, and I want to show you our little wax begonia seedlings here. Now, these were started in peat pellets, and I have some, hold on a minute, under my lights up here that were started in Jiffy seed starting mix. Now, these came up, they were planted like a day apart, and they came up a day apart. But you can see there is definitely a difference in the size of the seedlings between the ones in the seed starting mix and the ones started in the Jiffy peat pellets. And no, they're not that pale. The camera's having difficulties pulling the color, sorry about that, because of the fluorescent lights. But I just wanted to show you the difference in them. So the Jiffy peat pellets are my preferred method. To me, they're just growing faster, and they're easier to water than in the seed starting mix. So I just wanted to show you that. And we are still feeding these once a week with the plant food that we mix up for our begonias. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. It'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.